Hello everyone, welcome to Gktoday. All the videos of Gktoday are absolutely free and available on Gktoday's YouTube channel. And if you are looking for interactive quizzes in text and also their solutions, please download Gktoday's Academy Android app. We have several free and paid courses in that app. Now this particular series is of 60 videos, and in each video we are going to discuss select 15 questions, and we shall also do 500 test questions after end of this series. Now let's start with the questions on Indian polity. So the first question is, which of the following statements is not correct about the Rajya Sabha? You have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is 1/3 of its members retire every year. So the fourth statement is incorrect because 1/3 of its members retire every 2 years, and Rajya Sabha is a permanent body. So it was duly constituted for the first time on April 3rd, 1952, and 12 of Rajya Sabha members are nominated by the President. Now the next question is, which among the following articles defines the money bill? You have the following options, different articles, and the correct answer is option A, that is Article 110. So only those financial bills which contain provisions exclusively on matters listed in Article 110 of the Constitution are called money bills. Now the next question is, in which year the first meeting of the Rajya Sabha was held in independent India? You have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is in the year 1952. So the first meeting of Council of State was held on 13th May 1952. However, the Rajya Sabha, its Hindi nomenclature, was adopted in 23rd August 1954. The next question is, which among the following is the basis of representation in Rajya Sabha for states? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is population. So allocation of seats in Rajya Sabha is listed in 4th schedule of the Constitution, and the seats are allocated to each state mainly on the basis of its population. Now the next question is, first session of Lok Sabha was held in which among the following years? You have the following options, different years, and the correct answer is option C, that is in the year 1952. So the first Lok Sabha was constituted on 17th April 1952 after India's first general election, in which 17.3 crore voters elected 489 members. Its first session commenced on 13th May 1952 and the Lok Sabha completed its term and was dissolved in April 1957. Now the next question is regarding the start questions, asking during question hour of Parliament which among the following is true. So you have the following answer and the correct answer is option B, that is oral answer is required to be given by the minister on floor of the house and supplementary questions may be asked on minister's reply. See, start questions are those for which an oral answer is expected, and the member is allowed to ask a supplementary question with the permission of the speaker after the reply is obtained from the minister concerned. Now non-start questions are those for which a written reply is expected, and after the reply has been provided no supplementary questions can be asked, and a notice period is to be given to the minister to reply to a question. However, if a member seeks to ask a question urgently and cannot wait for the duration of the notice period, then the member can do so provided it is accepted by the speaker. Such questions are called supplementary questions. Now the next question is, the first no confidence motion was moved in the Lok Sabha in which of the following years? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is in the year 1963. The first no confidence motion was moved in Lok Sabha by Acharya Kripalani in August 1963, immediately after the disastrous India-China war. The next question is, so the President of India can summon joint session of the Parliament in case of a deadlock between the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha during the passage of which of the following? Ordinary legislation, money bill, constitutional amendment. So you have to select the correct answer using the codes given below, and the correct option is option A, that is only one. See, the joint sitting is called in the following situations. Firstly, when bill has been passed by one house and transmitted to the other house and it is rejected by the other house. Secondly, both houses have finally disagreed as to the amendments to be made in the bill. And thirdly, more than 6 months elapse from the date of the reception of the bill by the other house without the bill being passed by it. So yes, and please note that if there is a deadlock between the two houses on a constitutional amendment bill, there cannot be a joint sitting. In case of a money bills, the rejection of Rajya Sabha is immaterial. The next question is, which of the following is the primary objective to bring a privilege motion in Indian Parliament? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is to raise a matter related to breach of parliamentary privileges, which is option number C. Now see, the privilege motion is concerned with the breach of parliamentary privileges by a minister, and it is moved by a member when he feels that a minister has committed a breach of privileges of the house. So the sole idea is to censure the concerned minister, right? And then moving ahead with the next question. So your next question is, which among the following document is presented in the parliament as per mandate of article 112? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option A, that is annual financial statement. So the annual financial statement and demands for grants and appropriation bill and finance bill are presented in the parliament as per article 112, 113, 143, 110A of the Constitution of India respectively. Now the next question is, what are dilatory motions in context with the procedure in parliament? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is adjournment or delay of the debate on bills. So dilatory motions refers to the motions that seek adjournment, or you can say delay or retard of the debate on bills, motions or resolutions, etc. Now the next question is, what is the minimum number of sessions of Lok Sabha to be held in an year? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option B, that is 2 times in a year. So according to Article 85(1) of the Constitution of India, the session of the Lok Sabha is called for at least 2 times in a year, and the President shall from time to time summon each House of Parliament to meet at such time and place as he thinks of it. The next question is, when can a Speaker of Lok Sabha be removed before the expiry of his term? Now you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is if the Lok Sabha passes a resolution to this effect. So Article 19(4)(c) of the Constitution of India says that the Speaker or the Deputy Speaker may be removed from his office by a resolution of the House of People passed by a majority of all the then members of the House. The next question is, how many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option C, that is 12. So 12 members are nominated to the Rajya Sabha by the President from people having special knowledge or practical experience in art, literature, science and social service. Now the next question is, which of the following union territories has no representation in Rajya Sabha? So you have the following options and the correct answer is option D, that is Andaman and Nicobar. So only 3 union territories out of 8, Delhi, Puducherry and Jammu and Kashmir, have representation in Rajya Sabha, and the population of other 6 union territories are too small to have any representation in the Rajya Sabha. Thank you so much. So this was all for today's video, and we hope that you like our new initiative. So please do provide your feedback in our comment section. And stay tuned for the more upcoming videos. Thank you.